So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add subtitles in iMovie. So the first thing you want to do is open up the iMovie app. On here you can see at the bottom start a new project. You can also open one of the projects you already have. So once you've clicked on this, click the edit option and you will see some options if you click on the entire project. So you will see the scissors icon, then the speed icon, as well as sound, text, and filters. Go to text. Once you've clicked on this, you can see standard, you can see some other options as well. You can see the pop-up. So you can choose, for instance, this, and you can see title text here. Click on edit. Once you've clicked on this, click subtitle. Then you can click done and you can put it on here. Now, if you wish to add some more things to your text, you can choose between uppercase and lowercase. You can see sound effect for the, you can even add it for the full clip duration or when you clip your video. So let's do it through here. Click the video right about here and click the option split. Now you can see this version has the subtitles, this one doesn't. So if I want to add subtitles just for this clip on here, I click on this clip and click the option right there and they will appear something like this. I click on done. I just put it down here. So if there's some talk, they're going to be heard through here and I can set up some more options on here as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iMovie or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.